I'm Chef Dave Palmer. Today I'm going to share with you a family heirloom recipe passed down to me by my great-grandmother. It's authentic Southern chicken and dumplings.
We're going to put enough water in the pot to cover our chicken. We're going to add some celery. We're going to add some onion. You can do it whole. And we're going to add some carrots. A little bit of salt, 1 tablespoon, and some fresh thyme. Next, we're going to boil it. We're going to cover it for an hour and 45 minutes. That chicken will be nice and tender. Your chicken and the vegetables and let them rest on the side. These vegetables are not going back in, but you can save them for another dish. Next, you want to strain and make sure you get all those solids out of there. We're going to make our dough. It takes 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of vegetable shortening, and we're going to blend it. Make sure you blend it really well with a fork. If you don't get it blended well, it will fall apart. 2/3 cup of water, that's just plain water, and mix it well with a fork. You're going to see it start to come away from the sides of the bowl. That's when you know you're almost done. Make sure it stays together well. And then we're going to shape it. I like to make a log on a nice floured surface. The dough should be very nice and soft. It will not be stiff. If it's stiff, there's not enough water. Don't worry about getting some extra flour on there. It's going to help them to not stick, and it'll sort of make a sauce when you boil them. Roll them out to 3/16 of an inch thick. A little thinner is okay, a little thicker is okay. Just aim for somewhere in that range. I'm going to cut mine into manageable pieces, but if you have a large surface like a kitchen table or something, feel free to just roll the whole thing out into one big slab. Make sure you cut it into wide strips, and then you're going to turn those strips into rectangles. Whatever size you want is fine. Imperfect is fine too. Turn it into bite-sized pieces and add it back to the stock. And we're going to drop each dumpling in one by one so they don't stick together. Just keep it at a low boil and look for those holes to drop them in. It's that easy. Give it a gentle stir just to make sure there are no clumps. And we're going to add lots of black pepper. It'll taste delicious if you do it, trust me. Cook it uncovered for 20 minutes. And we're going to put the lid back on and cook it for 20 more minutes on a reduced heat. Beautiful Southern chicken and dumplings, just the way my great-grandmother would have made them.
So good.
Great-grandmother wouldn't have had the advantage of having groceries delivered to her door, but fortunately, I do, and they come from Misfits Market. Check the description for a discount link.